Welcome to the world of AI. Welcome to this complete beginner-to-expert audio journey into the world of artificial intelligence. If you are completely new to AI, this podcast is designed for you. You do not need a technical background. You do not need programming experience. You do not need advanced mathematics. All you need is curiosity. In this podcast, you will learn what AI really is, how AI systems work, how machines learn from data, the history of AI, the different types of AI, machine learning and deep learning, AI in business and daily life, AI careers and future opportunities, ethical concerns and risks, the future of humanity with AI, how to start your own AI learning journey, and how AI may transform the entire world. This podcast is written like a conversation and podcast narration. No complicated formulas, no confusing technical language, just clear explanations, stories, examples, and real-world understanding. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin your journey into artificial intelligence. Chapter 1. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, also called AI, is one of the most important technologies ever created by humans. But what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, understanding language, solving problems, recognizing images, making decisions, predicting outcomes, understanding speech, and even creating new content. AI allows computers to behave in ways that appear intelligent. For example, when Siri answers your question, AI is working. When Netflix recommends a movie, AI is working. When Google Maps finds the fastest route, AI is working. When ChatGPT responds to your message, AI is working. AI is becoming part of everyday life, but AI is not magic. AI systems do not truly think the way humans think. They do not have emotions, consciousness, or self-awareness. Instead, AI systems process information using data, mathematical patterns, algorithms, rules, statistical predictions. In simple words, AI learns patterns from information and uses those patterns to make decisions. Humans learn from life experiences. AI learns from data. That is the foundation of modern AI.
Chapter 2. What is intelligence?
Before understanding artificial intelligence, we must first understand intelligence itself. What does it mean to be intelligent? Human intelligence includes many abilities: learning from experience, understanding language, solving problems, adapting to new situations, recognizing patterns, making decisions, being creative, understanding emotions. Humans are incredibly flexible thinkers. A child can learn language naturally. A human can recognize faces instantly. People can solve new problems without being trained for every situation. Machines are very different. Computers are extremely fast at calculations, but naturally very bad at understanding the world. For example, a calculator can solve millions of math problems quickly, but it cannot understand humor. A chess computer may defeat world champions, but it cannot cook breakfast. This is why AI is challenging. Researchers are trying to build systems that can imitate some aspects of human intelligence. Today's AI is powerful in narrow tasks, but human intelligence remains broader and more flexible. Chapter 3. The goal of AI. What is the main goal of AI? The goal of AI is to create systems that can assist humans, automate tasks, solve problems, and improve decision-making. AI aims to help humans become more productive, more efficient, more informed, more creative. AI can reduce repetitive work. AI can analyze huge amounts of information faster than humans. AI can detect patterns humans might miss. For example, doctors use AI to help detect diseases earlier. Banks use AI to detect fraud. Farmers use AI to improve crop production. Businesses use AI to automate customer support. Scientists use AI to analyze research data. The long-term dream of AI researchers is to create systems that can reason and adapt like humans. This idea is called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. But today, most AI systems are still specialized tools designed for specific tasks.
Chapter 4. What is data? Data is the fuel of AI. Without data, AI cannot learn. So what is data? Data is information. Data can include text, images, videos, audio, numbers, documents, user behavior, sensor readings. Every time you search online, watch videos, or use apps, data is being created. AI systems study large amounts of this information to discover patterns. For example, an AI trained to recognize cats may study millions of cat images. A language AI studies billions of words and sentences. A music recommendation system studies listening habits. The quality of data is extremely important. Good data creates better AI systems. Bad data creates poor results. If AI learns from biased or incorrect data, it may make unfair or inaccurate decisions. This is why data quality is one of the biggest challenges in AI. Chapter 5. The History of AI. The dream of intelligent machines is older than computers themselves. Humans have imagined artificial beings for thousands of years. Ancient myths included mechanical servants and intelligent statues. But modern AI began in the 20th century. In the 1950s, scientists started asking, can machines think? One of the most important pioneers was Alan Turing. He proposed the famous Turing test. The idea was simple. If a machine could communicate so naturally that humans could not tell whether it was human or machine, the machine could be considered intelligent. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially created during a research conference. Researchers believed intelligent machines might be built quickly, but AI turned out to be much harder than expected. Computers lacked power and data. This led to periods called AI winters, where funding and excitement disappeared. Then came major breakthroughs. The rise of the internet created massive amounts of data. Computers became faster. Storage became cheaper. Machine learning improved dramatically. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2011, IBM Watson won the game show Jeopardy! In the 2010s, deep learning transformed AI completely. AI became capable of speech recognition, image recognition, translation, self-driving technology, content generation. Today, AI is growing faster than ever before. Chapter 6. Types of AI. AI is usually divided into different categories. The first category is narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed for one specific task. Examples include Google Maps, Siri, Alexa, Netflix recommendations, face recognition systems. Narrow AI is very powerful in its specialized area, but it cannot perform tasks outside its training. The second category is general AI.
General AI would have human-level intelligence. It could learn, reason, and adapt across many tasks. General AI does not yet exist. Researchers are still working toward it. The third category is superintelligence. This refers to AI that becomes smarter than humans in almost every field. Some experts believe this may happen one day. Others believe it may never happen. This topic creates major debates about the future of humanity. Chapter 7. Machine Learning Basics. Machine learning is one of the most important parts of AI. Machine learning allows computers to learn patterns from data without being directly programmed for every rule. Instead of writing every instruction manually, we allow the computer to learn from examples. For example, suppose we want a system to recognize spam emails. Instead of programming thousands of rules, we give the system many examples of spam and non-spam emails. The AI studies patterns and gradually learns how to identify spam on its own. Machine learning improves through experience. More quality data usually leads to better performance. There are several types of machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data. For example, photos labeled cat and dog. The system learns from correct answers. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning learns through rewards and penalties. This method is used in robotics and gaming systems. Machine learning powers many modern technologies today. Chapter 8. Deep Learning Basics. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. It uses systems called neural networks. These networks are inspired by the human brain. The human brain contains billions of neurons connected together. Deep learning systems imitate this idea using artificial neurons. Deep learning became powerful because of faster computers, huge data sets, advanced algorithms. Deep learning is especially effective for image recognition, speech recognition, language understanding, self-driving systems, chatbots, video analysis. For example, a deep learning model can study millions of faces and learn to recognize people accurately. It can also generate realistic voices, write text, and create images. Modern AI systems like ChatGPT are built using deep learning. Chapter 9. How AI learns. AI learning usually follows several steps. Step 1. Collect data. The system gathers information relevant to the task. Step 2. Train the model. The AI studies patterns in the data. Step 3. Test the model. The system is evaluated using new information. Step 4. Improve the results. Engineers adjust the system to increase accuracy. This process may repeat many times. Training advanced AI systems can require massive computer power, large data sets, specialized hardware, teams of researchers. Some AI systems train for weeks or months. The larger the model, the more expensive training becomes. Chapter 10. AI in Everyday Life. AI already surrounds us. Many people use AI every day without realizing it. Here are some examples. Healthcare. AI helps doctors detect diseases from medical scans. AI can identify cancer patterns earlier. Finance. Banks use AI to detect suspicious activity and fraud. Transportation. Self-driving car technology depends heavily on AI. Education. AI tutors personalize learning experiences. Entertainment. Streaming platforms recommend music and movies. Business. Companies automate customer support using AI chatbots. Agriculture. Farmers use AI to monitor crops and improve harvests. Security. AI systems recognize threats and unusual behavior. Social media. Algorithms decide what content appears in your feed. AI is becoming deeply connected to modern life. Chapter 11. Natural Language Processing. One of the most exciting areas of AI is natural language processing, often called NLP. NLP allows computers to understand human language. This includes reading, writing, translation, conversation, summarization, speech recognition. ChatGPT is an example of NLP technology. Language AI systems learn from enormous amounts of text. They predict likely word patterns. This allows them to generate human-like responses. NLP is transforming customer service, writing assistance, translation, education, search engines. Language AI is improving rapidly every year. Chapter 12. Computer Vision. Computer vision allows machines to understand images and video. Humans naturally recognize objects visually. Computers must learn this ability through training. Computer vision powers face recognition, medical imaging, self-driving cars, security cameras, augmented reality. For example, a self-driving car constantly analyzes its surroundings using cameras and AI. It identifies roads, traffic signs, pedestrians, other vehicles. Computer vision is one of the fastest growing AI industries. Chapter 13. Robotics and AI. Robotics combines machines with AI. Robots can perform physical tasks in the real world. Factories have used robots for decades. Modern AI robots are becoming smarter and more flexible. Examples include warehouse robots, surgical robots, delivery robots, drones, humanoid robots. AI helps robots navigate environments, recognize objects, make decisions, learn from experience. Future robots may assist humans in homes, hospitals, and workplaces. Chapter 14. AI and Creativity. Many people once believed creativity belonged only to humans, but AI can now write stories, generate music, create paintings, produce videos, design graphics. Generative AI is changing creative industries. Some artists use AI as a tool. Others worry AI may replace creative jobs. The future will likely involve collaboration between humans and AI. Human creativity and AI assistance together may unlock entirely new forms of art. Chapter 15. AI Ethics and Risks. AI brings enormous benefits, but also serious concerns. One major issue is bias. If AI learns from biased data, it may produce unfair decisions. Another concern is privacy. AI systems often collect huge amounts of personal information. There are also fears about job displacement. Automation may replace certain types of work. Deepfake technology creates fake videos and voices that look real. This raises concerns about misinformation. Some experts worry about powerful AI systems becoming dangerous if poorly controlled. This is why AI ethics is extremely important. Responsible AI development focuses on fairness, transparency, safety, accountability, human oversight. AI should benefit humanity, not harm it. Chapter 16. The Future of AI. The future of AI may transform civilization completely. Experts predict AI could reshape healthcare, transportation, education, science, business, entertainment, communication. Future AI may become more personalized, more conversational, more intelligent, more autonomous. AI may help scientists discover new medicines. AI may accelerate climate research. AI may help solve complex global problems. But the future also depends on human choices. Technology itself is neutral. How humans use AI will shape the outcome. Responsible development is essential. Chapter 17. Careers in AI. AI is creating enormous career opportunities. Some popular AI careers include machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI researcher, robotics engineer, AI product manager, prompt engineer, AI ethics specialist. AI skills are becoming valuable across many industries. Even non-technical professionals benefit from understanding AI. The future workforce will likely include humans working alongside AI systems. Learning AI now may open major opportunities later. Chapter 18. Skills you need for AI. If you want to build AI systems yourself, here are important skills. Programming. Python is the most popular language for AI. Mathematics. Basic algebra, statistics, and probability help greatly. Problem solving. AI development requires logical thinking. Data understanding. Learning how to clean and analyze data is essential. Curiosity. Technology changes constantly. The best learners remain curious and adaptable. You do not need to master everything immediately. Start step by step. Consistency matters more than speed. Chapter 19. Your AI Learning Roadmap. Here is a simple AI learning roadmap. Step 1. Learn basic computer skills and Python programming. Step 2. Study math fundamentals. Focus on algebra, statistics, and logic. Step 3. Learn machine learning basics. Understand how models learn patterns. Step 4. Study deep learning and neural networks. Step 5. Build projects. Practice is critical. Step 6. Learn about real-world AI applications. Step 7. Stay updated. AI evolves rapidly. Never stop learning. Chapter 20. The human side of AI. As AI becomes more advanced, many people ask important questions. What makes humans unique? Can machines truly understand emotions? Will AI replace human relationships? Technology changes society, but human values remain important. Empathy, kindness, wisdom, ethics, and meaning are deeply human qualities. AI may become extremely powerful tools, but humans still guide the direction of civilization. The future should focus not only on smarter machines, but also wiser humanity. Chapter 21. Understanding Generative AI. One of the biggest breakthroughs in modern AI is generative AI. Generative AI creates new content instead of only analyzing existing information. It can generate text, images, music, videos, code, voices. Examples include ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, Claude, Gemini. These systems learn patterns from huge datasets and create new outputs based on probability. Generative AI is transforming business, education, entertainment, and productivity. It may become one of the defining technologies of the 21st century. Chapter 22. AI and Human Collaboration. Many people fear AI will replace humans completely, but in many industries, AI works best alongside humans. AI can automate repetitive tasks. Humans provide creativity, judgment, ethics, emotional understanding, leadership,
For example, doctors use AI tools, but human doctors still make final decisions. Writers may use AI for brainstorming, but human storytelling remains valuable. The future may belong to humans who know how to work effectively with AI. Chapter 23. AI around the world. Countries worldwide are investing heavily in AI. The United States, China, Europe, and many others see AI as strategically important. AI affects national security, economic growth, scientific leadership. Governments are creating AI regulations and policies. Global competition in AI is increasing rapidly. At the same time, international cooperation is also important to ensure AI remains safe and beneficial. Chapter 24. Can AI become conscious? One of the biggest philosophical questions is whether AI could ever become conscious. Current AI systems are not conscious. They process patterns and predictions. They do not experience emotions or awareness. But future developments raise difficult questions. Could advanced systems one day develop forms of awareness? Scientists and philosophers debate this heavily. No one truly knows the answer yet. This topic combines technology, neuroscience, psychology, and philosophy.
Chapter 25. Final thoughts and your next step. You have now completed this beginner to expert journey into artificial intelligence. You learned what AI is, how AI learns, machine learning, deep learning, data, robotics, NLP, computer vision, AI ethics, AI careers, the future of AI. Most importantly, you learned that AI is not magic. It is built from data, patterns, algorithms, human creativity, scientific research. AI is one of the greatest technological revolutions in human history. And this revolution is only beginning. Your next step is simple. Keep learning, experiment, practice, stay curious, because the people who understand AI today may help shape the future tomorrow. Thank you for listening to this podcast, and welcome to the age of artificial intelligence.